Welcome to Nantucket. What a beautiful island. Let's take a walk around, go on a little adventure, and have some fun. Nantucket was settled in 1659. After the discovery of whales, it became a major whaling port for the North America. After a decline in the whaling industry, Nantucket became a mecca for tourism and is still drawing in people to its natural and everlasting beauty, along with its first rate attractions, accommodations, and restaurants. Hopping on a ferry, heading over to Nantucket is definitely a must do while visiting Cape Cod. Once you're over there, you'll have time to relax, grab a bite to eat, walk around, enjoy the sights, and maybe a beach or two. The ferries are very cool, accommodating, and comfortable. So there's plenty of seating. Just get in line and you'll find a seat. Once on, you got great views while you're leaving Cape Cod and entering the area where Nantucket is. This vessel is pretty awesome. It's okay to get up and walk around and check it out. They have food, they have bathrooms, and friendly folks to talk to. Now that we have arrived in Nantucket, we're going to turn off the music and we're going to take in the sights and sounds of the island. So join us for a walk as we journey through this beautiful island and community.
They're not mad about it. Well, that's the thing. It's like
Right in the port, you'll notice there is plenty to do. You can rent a bike, rent a car, a jeep, you can grab a bite to eat, and you can do some shopping. And there is lots of shopping. I really love the old world charm of Nantucket. The cobblestone roads are amazing. There's sand everywhere, and you just feel like you're in a different world. It's so cool. Hey, you watching our video? Yeah, you. While you're at it, give us a big thumbs up. Let us know how we're doing in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. There's more to offer than just shopping and eating. There's also excursions that you can take. One would be a charter, a boat charter. Get out, take a fishing trip, and have some fun. Have you been to Nantucket before? This was our first time. So we didn't really plan much. We just wanted to walk around and check it out and investigate and explore. What did you do on your last trip? Did you have some fun? Anything in particular that was awesome? Please share it in the comments. It seems tourism is welcomed here on the island because the locals were plentiful. And with that said, they are very accommodating and pleasant to all of the travelers that were visiting the island. So that was really good to see. Sometimes you might see the opposite, but not here. Very friendly island. We left the downtown area and walked some back streets. We just wanted to check out some of the architecture and have a look around at the local charm of the island. And it was beautiful. Wow, there's so much to see here. We can't wait to get back, check it out, explore more, really plan out a trip so that we can take in everything that the island has to offer. Well, we're back on the ferry, heading back to the mainland. We'll see you next time, Nantucket. Well, this is the end of the video. We thank you for watching. Book a trip, get your butt to Nantucket, and have some fun.